Hi everyone, welcome to the Bluetooth ecosystem demo. In this setup, multiple boards were connected over Bluetooth mesh. Here we have 20829 development kit, smart switch board, 20820 relay board and Bluetooth smart bulb. The smart switch board is connected to a 230 volt incandescent bulb. PSOC6 to act as the IoT gateway. It is connected to AWS cloud over MQTT. Let's control the lights from the Alexa mobile app. Open Smart Home.
Hey Ashok, welcome to Smart Home.
Set light level to 0.
Your light level is set to 0.
Set light level to 6.
Your light level is set to 6.
Set light level to 2.
Your light level is set to 2.
Set outdoor lights on.
Your outdoor lights are turned on.
And controlling from the Mesh Control mobile client application. The smart switchboard is connected to a incandescent bulb. The board is capable of controlling any AC loads. And here 20829 acts as a dimmer remote to control the light brightness. Gesture control with CAPSENSE Proximity sensing. And here 20829 acts as a dimmer remote to control the light brightness. Thanks for watching.